Let's start. The project name is the Foreground Work Manager. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity and a My Work class. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have 3 buttons: Start Work, Stop Work, and Get Updates. And text view where we display the updates from the Work Manager. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the Start Work button. This is the Stop Work button. This is the Get Work Updates button. This is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the My Work class that extends the worker class. These are the data members. This is the constructor. Here we set the notification manager. In the do work, we perform some task. First, we call the set foreground async function and call the show notification function in it. This creates a foreground notification for the work manager. Then we run a for loop as a task. Here we do some mathematical calculations and call it progress. Then we update the notification with this progress data using the update notification function. This is the show notification function that calls the create notification function inside it. The create notification function creates a notification channel and then creates a notification. This is the update notification function. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. When the Start Work button is clicked, we configure a one-time work. This work will work as the foreground work using the foreground notification. Here we set a tag, the backoff policy, which means after how many seconds should the work manager again try to fire this work. The time interval here could be linear or exponential. And then we enqueue this work in the work manager queue. When the Stop Work button is clicked, we cancel a particular work using its ID. When the Get Work Updates button is clicked, this is how we collect the progress data of the work and show it in the text view. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a foreground work using the Work Manager in Java Android. Thanks for watching.